Hello everyone, I'm all Thais in the United States. I do house cleaning, and this video I just do floating, the clean laundry. The lady hiring me floating clothing for her and also organize the shelf a little bit, and I make the bed for her. That's all for today. I spent about 3 hours. I can do only one thing. If you don't want me to clean your house, just fold the laundry that you don't have time. I take that job too. Or if you want me to do just laundry and wait until everything finished, I can do that too. Doesn't need to do cleaning. Just do laundry or folding your laundry. If you're interested, please contact me. I live in Newark, Delaware. I don't want to travel very far. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.